Weather Lab. Here's Bradley's forecast.
All right, we made it to the weekend. It's going to be a warm start tomorrow, but a cold front will arrive tomorrow afternoon and then into the evening hours, bringing with it scattered showers and thunderstorms, and then a winter chill to follow by Sunday, and then at least through the early parts of the upcoming week. But then temperatures are going to start to warm up as next week wears on and then into Christmas. So we'll break it all down here in just a bit. But first, we have a drone shot today coming at you from Laborde Earls Injury Law Firm here in Lafayette, also the sponsor of our drone shots. And again, another relatively nice day across Acadiana, just warm for the time of year. We hit 79 degrees in Lafayette earlier this afternoon with a mixture of sun and clouds in place, and we'll start to add more clouds in there tomorrow again as that cold front moves through into the afternoon. Now, temperatures out the door this evening, not all that comfortable, at least when we're talking the 17th of December standards. Middle 70s for most of us, lower 70s coming in there at Jennings. And as we dial it into the local radars, most of us quiet. Couple blips showing up as you get into portions of Iberia and St. Mary parishes. But again, those are rather light in nature, and that's about it. So most of us staying dry this evening. If you're heading out maybe to Christmas in the park or any of your evening plans, rain chances only at around 10 to 20%, but it's going to be mild and muggy. We'll stay in the lower 70s at least through 7 o'clock this evening, and then temperatures will eventually fall into the upper 60s, but only bottoming out in the middle to upper 60s for an overnight low. That's where we'll start our Saturday morning. Fog possible as well. Could be dense in spots, otherwise kind of low-level clouds out there first thing tomorrow morning. Few spotty showers through the morning hours. It's going to be warm. I still think high temperatures able to reach the upper 70s, maybe close to 80 degrees into the early afternoon hours before that cold front advances into the area. Looks like late tomorrow afternoon and then going into tomorrow evening. I think the graph model a little too fast here, but nonetheless, giving you an idea that showers and storms are going to be likely. Low in risk for severe weather, only a level 1 out of 5. Primary concern would be gusty winds along this squall line. Isolated chance to see a brief tornado, but that threat appears to be low since we're going to be lacking the dynamics in the atmosphere. But still enough instability to support thunderstorms, maybe some heavy rainfall at times. So we'll keep an eye on things for you. But then that front's going to clear the area late tomorrow evening. Still some spotty showers will be possible into the evening hours. So again, just keep that into consideration for any plans that you may have, but certainly turning cooler and breezier behind that front. In fact, we'll see temperatures heading for the middle to upper 40s. First thing Sunday morning, a little bit of a wind chill out there as well, feeling like the lower 40s, and then mostly cloudy through the better part of Sunday. Maybe some intervals of sunshine from time to time, but it's going to be chilly as afternoon high temperatures only settle into the middle 50s. Now, as far as rainfall totals with that front moving in tomorrow, I think most of us picking up around a half an inch to maybe an inch of rainfall. Some locally higher amounts though as well, especially as you get across western portions of Acadiana, then into southwestern Louisiana, but still we're not necessarily looking at flooding rains or anything like that. So back to dry conditions Sunday, chilly for sure. Another quick hitting system on Monday. Looks like the core of that may actually stay out in the Gulf, but still some occasional chilly rains will be possible. Lower to middle 50s only Monday afternoon, and then it's back to full sunshine Tuesday and Wednesday with more seasonable temperatures. Upper 50s for Tuesday and then lower to middle 60s by Wednesday, and then temperatures are going to be warming up pretty quickly by the end of next week. And then heading into Christmas, we'll be talking afternoon high temperatures back into the middle and upper 70s. But at least the good news, after the occasional showers on Monday, we'll look to stay dry for the rest of next week and then heading into the Christmas holiday. Mild and muggy tonight, middle to upper 60s for that overnight low, so that's late summer to early fall like. And then again, we'll briefly get into the upper 70s near 80 degrees early tomorrow afternoon. And that cold front's going to be pushing through, turning noticeably cooler, middle to upper 40s first thing Sunday morning, and then look at those temperatures Sunday afternoon, only topping out in the middle 50s. So partly to mostly cloudy skies tonight. Dense fog advisory is in effect for areas along and south of the interstate, so keep that in mind first thing tomorrow morning. Otherwise, tropical feel out there, middle to upper 60s. Warm start tomorrow, upper 70s to near 80 degrees for that high temperature before showers and storms arrive tomorrow afternoon into the evening hours. And then we're going to be turning cooler and breezier tomorrow night into Sunday, and it's going to feel like winter again, at least through the early parts of next week, but then warming up in time by the end of next week and heading into Christmas. That's going to do it for weather for now. We'll have more news coming up after the break.